Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCRY. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one other time, I believe, and I think the last time I did it was after this day here or something, back in one of these days. But you can see that the price has since gone on and put in new highs, and then today finally had a consolidation day. So with the amount of requests and so forth that I've gotten in, wanted to get things updated here. But the first thing I want to point out is, as a past history, recent past history, I should say, has shown, red candles don't seem to be anything to worry about. Case in point, nice move up, red candle, you can see the results, new highs. Move up, red candle, you can see the results, two highs. Now, am I saying that we're guaranteed to have two, green candles the next 2 days? There are no guarantees in the market, obviously, but what I'm just trying to put is for the people that are kind of nervous and I don't know if freaking out's the right word, but people that are just getting a little antsy, use the past recent history of the chart to kind of show what's been going on. There's nothing wrong with consolidation days, nothing wrong with red days as long as support levels hold. And even after today, support levels have held. So from looking at the overall picture, nothing to worry about. Now, if you're a day trader and you're bought up here for a quick scalp, then yeah, the chart's probably not looking too good for you. But this perspective is kind of more for the overall picture of the chart. So on that note, let's quickly talk about some support levels. The key level of support that was broken and was a previous level of resistance, and I probably talked about in the last video, is this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. That's valued at 0032, and this is going to be an important level of support just because it's such a well-known moving average that the longer the price can stay above it, just the better and more bullish the overall chart will look. Not that it's a make it or break it one, because you still have other support levels below you. More of the important ones are down here with this blue line and gray line. Blue line being the 10-day simple moving average, the gray line being the 20-day simple moving average. You can see that ever since the move has happened, the price has basically been surfing up across these moving averages. So as long as the price continues to remain above those, then that'll be a good sign for kind of just the overall momentum and strength of this trend that we have going right now. In terms of resistance levels, seems to be somewhat of one right here at 0045. I do realize that the price broke above it intraday, but as far as the daily chart's concerned, it just hasn't been able to get any closes above there. So that's going to be the first level at 0045. And then the next is just simply where the profit taker stepped in yesterday, and that was up there at 0053. So 0045 and 0053 are going to be the two current levels of resistance, with some closes up above there. I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart, but that's currently where the resistances stand. Again, nothing to worry about as long as these support levels continue to hold like they've been. Use the past recent history to kind of ease your mind if you need to, but again, just to reiterate, as long as support levels continue to hold, then the overall momentum and trend of the chart is just fine. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there, and as you'll see when you sign up, you get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it as a strategy, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there, Make an Investment into Your Education. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was CCRY. Thanks for listening.